Hi there, students. So, into and into. When is it one word and when is it two words? Well, when it's one word, into is a preposition. When it's two words, it's in, an adverb, followed by the preposition to. When it's two words, very often this comes from a phrasal verb followed by the preposition to. So, for example, I handed my work in to my teacher. I logged in to the website. On the other hand, into as one word, I put the coin into my hand. I put my hand into my pocket. Also, it's one word, into, a preposition, when we use it to mean a transformation. So the frog changed into a prince. It turned into a very nice sunny day. Okay, so transformation or movement to a place. Now let's look at a pair. I turned the phone into the teacher. Is that one or two words? Well, maybe I'm a magician and I converted the phone into the teacher. One word. I turned the phone in, I gave the phone to the teacher. Two words. Okay, so he gave in, he surrendered to pressure. Very often as well, the to part is an infinitive of a verb, and that's really easy. I walked in to find them kissing. I shut myself in to watch TV. So that's really the difference between these two. Normally, if it's a phrasal verb in, plus a preposition to my friend, to my teacher. However, there are a few problems. There are phrasal verbs with into. For example, I ran into my teacher. To run into, one word, met by chance. But effectively the idea is I'm walking, and I run into. So it's movement to a place. I bumped into a door. Again, movement to a place. So it's into, one word. The thieves broke into the house. Movement inside a place. He's looking into this. He's investigating. And this is one word. Okay? So, what's the difference? Into, one word, should be used clearly to talk about into something or a transformation. Whereas in, to, normally a phrasal verb followed by the preposition to. I hope that's helped you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. In, into, or into. Sorry, into or into. Bye.